Hey girlies, what's good? It's your girl TJ. It's your girl TJ. Today's video is another wig install on this unit that you guys see me wearing here. Now this unit has been highly raved about on TikTok. Everybody and their mama been talking about Lemoda hair. So I'm like, wait, are the girlies just hyping this unit up? Is she really that girl? Like, what's tea? So I went ahead and copped this unit for myself. This video is not sponsored by Lemoda hair. All opinions are of my own in regards to this unit here. So, and if it was sponsored, my thoughts and opinion would be absolutely the same. So let's just get into it. Straight out the box, y'all, the hair is freaking amazing. Like it didn't have any type of weird smell to it. It was super soft, so silky soft. I was like, okay, this hair about to eat down. So the lace straight out the box looked pretty decent. I didn't have any, you know, concerns about the lace when I took it out. So I noticed that the lace straight out the box was transparent. Baby, why couldn't it be HD? It was giving like HD transparent lace. So the lace was super thin. So I was here for the lace. I noticed that the knots came super duper small, that the hairline was plucked. It was very natural. It wasn't big and bulky. Y'all know some of them Amazon units, when they give them to you, baby, them things is thick and you got to go in and plug them. But this unit, I did not have to worry about that. So I went ahead and bleached the unit before I installed it. I wanted to see how well the knots would take to the bleach, and baby, I left it on for 40 minutes and she did what she was supposed to do. I probably could have did a little bit longer, but I feel like 40 minutes did justice. It took the bleach very well, and I loved how, you know, the knots were able to bleach. That lets us know this is real virgin hair, because sometimes they be saying that it's virgin hair but them knots won't bleach. Why them knots ain't bleaching? That was not the case with this unit. I did go ahead and shampoo and condition the hair, and baby, when I tell you I was shook, it was minimum shedding during the conditioning and the shampooing process, and I was like, baby, okay, Lemoda, I see y'all. I got my notes here, y'all. Okay, so this takes us to install day. I went ahead before I filmed and I blow dried the hair, and I also straightened the hair, and the hair still felt the same as if it did when I first took it out of the package. It was nice, silky, and soft. I just love the hair. When I put on the wig for the first time, this is where I noticed the density. Now I'm not sure what they are saying the density is on the website, because I literally forgot to look. Okay, and it's 26 inches. I would love to see Lemoda come out with a thicker unit, and this same style, just thicker. I just want her thicker. That's it. So she is a tad bit on the thinner side. As far as the length, I can say that it is true to length. This is definitely 26 inches, okay, and probably even longer because this is curled right now, so they didn't lie or cap about the length of the unit. But I did cut it as well, cut a couple inches off. All of it is one length. Like, they don't do like some of them other companies be doing, like they'll put the back, the 26 inches, and then the front be shorter. I hate when companies do that. Please stop doing that. Another thing that I loved about this wig is that they gave us a full lace frontal. Like, it's no stopping back here. You know, lately these other companies out here haven't been giving us full lace frontal where you can actually fully part it, like on the sides and the middle. This got a deep middle part, and it's got a deep side part. So I'm here for that full lace. It was just refreshing to see the entire full lace frontal back to how it was back in the day, because I don't know what these companies doing it now, but they ain't giving us no full lace. The construction of the wig is definitely on the bigger side, so if you have a big head or you're, you know, worrying about if this wig will fit you, I promise you, sis, it's gonna fit you. I had a lot of extra lace, so for my big head girls, this is one that you definitely don't gotta worry about, because it's gonna fit. I tinted the lace using cream foundation. I would have rather used Kiss Temptation. I used my Ruby Kisses cream foundation. I found it kind of challenging for me to tint the lace. I felt like throughout my install, I kept having to reapply my cream foundation on the outside of the lace to make it blend more. I just feel like tinting spray in and of itself with this unit in particular would have been a better alternative than that cream foundation. I don't know if the cream foundation just wasn't adhering to the lace. I was like, I ain't like that. Cutting off the lace is when I realized I did not like the lace. The material, the lace, baby, I don't like that type of lace. And of course, when I started melting her, I was like, I just feel like certain types of lace just does not go with lace sprays. It just don't. Now, I'm sure if you're using lace glue, I don't know how to use lace glue, so I can't speak on that. But I feel like lace glue, you probably won't have that issue that I had with the lace actually laying down. Like I said, this is day 3 of me, you know, adhering this lace, and every day I had to relay it back down. So I'm not sure, for all my girls who just use lace spray, if this is one for us. I actually kind of low-key, high-key struggled with laying it down. It was already a lot of lace, okay? It was just not laying right. And maybe it probably would have laid better if they included an elastic band on the inside of it, because baby, I felt like I was struggling to lay down the lace. Yeah, eventually I ended up melting it, but I kept feeling like the ends of the lace kept lifting. Like it wasn't, I don't feel like it's all the way down right now, but I feel like they just kept rolling back, you know. It just kept lifting up and not sticking down. Granted, it looks good. Don't get me wrong, it looks good. Like I said, you might not have that type of issue if you have lace glue. I even used a lace spray that everyone's not using right now just to see if it was that lace spray, and it wasn't. It wouldn't even hold down with that. Styling the hair is key when it comes down to body wave hair. Now, y'all seen in the beginning of the video, I had the wig. It was already straightened, okay? So you can wear it straightened if you want. So I wanted to go ahead and put a style in there, or put some curls in there, just to see how good the hair will hold. I would say that all day long, those curls that I put in lasted all day. It did drop towards the end of the day. If you don't brush them out, I feel like they will last longer too, but y'all know I don't like tight curls, so I'm gonna brush them out anyway. So that's that on that. 3rd day of me wearing the hair, and I'm just completely obsessed. I think overall my favorite part of the unit is the hair itself. The quality of the hair is a freaking amazing, and for what I paid for, I was like, Lemoda giving us this. I haven't experienced any excessive shedding. I got the normal amount of shedding when you go in to detangle it. I probably got a few snags and tags from when I took it out of my bonnet to restyle it, but this quality of the hair eats. I'm completely obsessed with this hair. The hair itself gets a 10 out of 10, okay? Just everything about the hair I'm obsessed with gets a 10 out of 10. As far as that lace, baby, I'm not fond of that lace. I don't care what nobody said. I'm gonna rate that a 5, and that's just keeping it a buck. It's not doing it for me. Like, if they could change the lace, baby, 10 out of 10. But just for the lace, the quality of the lace itself, I don't like it. And as far as the construction, I gave the construction a 7 because, like I said, my head is big, but it ain't that big. And I find that with us not even having an elastic band in here, baby, I got like a little lump. It's just a lot of space in here, and I feel that with an elastic band and the inside will help secure down the unit and make it fit to all head sides. It just feels like I have extra gaps, and like it's I don't know how to say it. It's like rolled over, rolled over kind of, because it's big. So if I could change anything, it would be to add an elastic band and change that quality of that lace. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's install. All information in regards to this hair will be listed down in the description section below if you guys are interested. Till my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.